Hello, today we're going to be doing some basic dosage questions. Let's start off with the first question. How many pounds of chlorine gas must be added to disinfect a storage tank with a capacity of 1,600,000 gallons for a dose of 18 milligrams per liter? Okay, let's use our pie chart. Now we always know 8.34 is going to go here at the bottom. And let's look back at our problem. We see 18 milligrams per liter that they give us and 1,600,000. Okay, now we know 18 milligrams per liter goes here. Now we want the MGD. Now to get that, we need to divide this by 1 million. Okay, now once we do that, this will equal 1.6 MGD. Now the next step is to multiply all these numbers right here, straight across. So it's going to be 1.6 times 8.34 times 18, and that will equal 240 pounds. And that will be the answer. Now let's look at the second question. If a treatment plant produces 2.3 mgd and the finished water chlorine dose of 12 ppm is desired, how many pounds of chlorine will be needed each day? Okay. Let's look at the numbers they gave us, 2.3 mgd and 12 ppm. Okay, now let's make our pie chart. We know 8.34 is always going to be right there. We got our 2.3 mgd, and remember this ppm, that also means milligrams per liter, so you can use those interchangeably. So we have our 12 ppm, or milligrams per liter. Now, same thing like before, we multiply across. And when we do that, it comes out to 230 pounds. Okay, moving on to the next one. A yellow-colored elevated storage tank with a capacity of 500,000 gallons is to be chlorinated at a dosage of 50 ppm. How many pounds of chlorine gas will be needed? Okay, let's look at the numbers given to us, 500,000 gallons and 50 ppm. Let's start by making our chart. We know 8.34 is going here, 50 ppm is going there, and we need MGD, so we divide the 500,000 by 1 million, which is 0.5. Now we multiply across. And that comes out to 208 pounds. Pretty simple. Moving on. A treatment plant uses 60 pounds of chlorine for disinfection. If the plant produces 4.5 mgd, what will be the required dosage in milligrams per liter? Okay, let's look at the numbers given to us, 4.5 mgd and 60 pounds. Okay, let's write our pie chart. 8.34, we have 4.5 mgd and 60 pounds. Okay, now let's write that out. So 60 is on top. Now we multiply 4.5 times 8.34, and that equals 37.53. Now 60 divided by 37.53 is 1.6. And that is our MGD. Or excuse me, then that is our milligram per liter. And that goes here. And that finishes our chart. There's really not that many steps. As long as you can get the steps done right, you should be alright. Thank you guys for watching.